In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a real account on MetaTrader 5 using the desktop app. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to click, what to look for, and how to complete the process confidently. First, make sure MetaTrader 5 is already installed on your computer and that you can open the platform. Once it's running, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar with several options like File, View, Insert, and so on. Start by clicking on the File menu. This is where MetaTrader keeps most of the key options for managing your accounts and connections. After clicking File, a drop-down list will appear. From this list, find and click on the option that says Open an Account. This is the section where you can add new trading accounts, whether they're demo or real. Selecting this will open a new window that guides you through connecting to a broker and setting up your account. In the new window, you'll typically see a list of trading servers from different brokers. Here, look for the option that clearly indicates a real or live account, usually labeled as real or live. Then click on Open Real Account. This tells MetaTrader 5 that you want to connect a live trading account, not just practice on a demo one. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. These details come from your broker, not from MetaTrader itself. Usually your broker will provide an account number or login ID, a password, and the correct trading server name when you register on their website. Carefully type in your login and password, and make sure you select the exact server that matches the information from your broker. Even a small mistake here can prevent you from connecting to your real account, so take a moment to double check everything. Once your login information is entered, click Next or Finish, depending on what the button says. At this point, just follow the on-screen prompts. MetaTrader 5 may take a few seconds to connect to the server and verify your details. If everything is correct, you'll see your new real account appear in the Navigator panel, usually on the left side under the Accounts section. From there, your real account is ready to use. You can confirm you're connected by checking the status in the bottom right corner for data flow, and then you're set to start trading through your broker using MetaTrader 5.